3, 2, 1, go!
Hello everybody, my name is Wicked Pisagama, and this is my tutorial on how to download, install, and set your channel up within the Twitch.tv Butler bot Ankhbot. Now, a few things you're going to need to know before you download Ankhbot. As you see, I'm on ankhbot.com/download. This link will be in the description down below. First of all, you are going to need to install both the x86 and x64 C++ redistributables here. You're going to want to download these before you even download the bot. The bot will not run without this installed on your system. Now, if you download the bot and your C++ redistributables and the bot still isn't launching, chances are your antivirus probably destroyed one of the files for it. That file is downloadable here if you have that issue. Also on the Ankhbot download site. Ankhbot Python. If you are going to use a lot of the premium features, which I will cover in another tutorial, you're going to need Python 2.7.13. But here's the part that we're interested in. Downloading Ankhbot. You would click on the exe version to download Ankhbot to your system. As you see here, I already have it downloaded, so we're not going to do that. We've already downloaded that, so we're just going to go ahead with the install. Okay, so now once you have it downloaded, you are going to need to have a Twitch account for, obviously, yourself as the streamer, and you're going to have to make another account for the bot. Make it the same way you did your streamer account. Give it the name, the username you would want to make the name you want for the bot, so that you can connect the bot to that user and have the bot have its custom name. So now what we're going to do is we're going to install the bot. So just double click the exe file that we downloaded before. If your antivirus comes up like that, then just tell it that you want to trust Ankhbot. Say yes. Now you're going to get the license agreement. I would read it. I've already read it. I'm glad this actually popped up. Basically what this is saying is if you install Ankhbot in program files, it is not going to function properly. I don't know what it is about program files that makes it not function, but you're going to want to install it in the default directory in your app data. Obviously, I'm going to be installing it on the flash drive, but the steps would be the same. Only difference is you're not going to change the directory of where it's being installed, like I am now. I want to install it on the flash drive. I do not want to create a desktop shortcut, and because I already have Ankhbot installed, I'm not going to add the exception. It's already there, but you are going to want to add an exception to the Windows firewall, so you are going to want to check that and install. Usually the install process isn't that bad. Although they did add a lot in the recent update, so it may take a little bit longer to install than it did before. So you just basically want to let it do its thing. While that's installing, we're going to come over here. We're actually going to sign out of my account. And like I said, I already have an account for my bot, as I do run Ankhbot myself. So what we're going to do is we're going to log in as the bot. Check the install. Okay. Alright, now that we're logged in as the bot and setup is complete, I'm not going to launch Ankhbot right away. I'm just going to go ahead and hit finish. I'm going to open up the folder just to kind of show you guys the layout in here. You got all your typical folders in there, your documentation, which I would suggest reading. These are all your connections, your libraries, if you will. All your templates. And everything you're going to need for Twitch, including scripts. Which these are part of the premium. We're not going to get into that. That's all on a different video. We're going to be on a different video, rather. So we're going to go ahead and double click or go back into the bot folder, and we're just going to run the exe file. And we're going to say yes. And we're going to wait for it to open. And you can be greeted with a splash screen. And a welcome to Ankhbot message. Just saying to check the documentation on how to set up the bot. That's basically what we're going to be doing in this tutorial and the entire series. So we're going to say no. We're going to close that. And we're going to open the bot. And this here, folks, is Ankhbot. All your options over here on the left. We're going to be focusing on this button here, connections. And we're going to start with the Twitch bot, which is why I logged my bot in. So under bot name, you're going to want to put the account you made for your bot. Under channel, you're going to want to put your stream channel name. You're going to want to hit generate OAuth token. This is going to open up another page in Google. This is why you need to be logged in as the bot, because when you hit generate OAuth token, it's going to bring you to a page that is going to generate an OAuth token for the account logged into Twitch at the time. So you're going to want to make sure you are logged in as the bot when you do the bot's OAuth, as well as logged in as you when you do your OAuth. So when Twitch token opens up, you're going to want to copy this entire string from OAuth to the end. Copy. Paste. Connect. And we'll watch the console here. And as soon as it connects, it should start showing. Yeah, as you see, we have a few people logged into my channel right now. It's going to tell you who you're hosting, if you're hosting anybody. And it should also give us a mod list. Anyways. So for the Twitch streamer, you're going to want to put your name. Now before you hit generate token, come back over to Twitch, log out of the bot, now as you can see it's still loading, but we are logged in as me, so we're going to generate token. Alright, and once again, you're going to want to copy the whole thing. Paste it in there, and hit connect. And if you watch console, streamer client, attempting to connect, successfully connected. And we can close out of that. Your accounts are connected. And to prove that they're successfully connected, we're going to pull up my dashboard. So now that we're on my dashboard, I'm going to type a message in chat. And you see it shows up in the bot. So that's how you can tell that your bot is connected. Now, we're going to hit on this gear. And we're going to set some of the settings up. That's going to make your life a little bit easier. The settings you're going to want to change right here in general are going to be auto connect on launch, show view account in console, we'll leave the OBS capture friendly mode on. Clear session on startup so that anything that has been logged hosts, follows, bits, raid logging, that sort of thing will be reset so that if they host you again, if you stream more than once in a day, it will properly log that for you. We're going to turn on GIF emotes. This is just for if you have a sub with GameWisp. We are going to turn on save raiders to file. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to record in a separate text file who has raided you so that you can give them proper thanks. Scrolling down, we have the names of all the regulars that are in the bot. We'll touch on that when we do the currency system. Editors of the bot. I want to point something out about the editors. Long story short, be careful who you give editor to. They will have full control of anything in the bot that is controllable from the chat window, so long as they know the commands. So be careful who you give that to. Blacklisted users, basically, you ban somebody, you want to block them from doing all this stuff. You can pick and choose what they will be blocked from. Personally, if I ban you from my chat and I put you in the blacklisted users, then you're not being able to do anything in chat. Here is the spot for external subs. If you have subs through a third party, Patreon, GameWisp, something to that effect, you can add the names here. And I believe that's about it for now. Macros, hotkeys, style. Okay, right now it's set to dark. And it's not a bad theme, personally. And for the remainder of this tutorial series, we are going to set it to Twitch dark, so it's going to be in the Twitch colors. Okay. So now, just to show you that both of those are going to connect on startup, we're going to close the bot. And we're going to relaunch it, and we're going to see if it auto connects to those accounts. And as you can see, bot connected, streamer connected, and there's our mod list of the moderators for the channel. So with that all being said, I'd like to thank you for watching this tutorial on how to download, install, and configure your channel to work with Ankhbot. If you enjoyed this video and want to let me know of that, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you liked or disliked about this video. And go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If we can get 5 likes on this video, it would let me know that I'm on the right track with the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you can be notified of when I upload new videos.